Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to explain how you can install and use for the first time RankMath SEO. So if you're trying to improve your SEO on your website, that is a good plugin for WordPress in order to use for your SEO techniques, right? So if you want to do titles, meta description, how to set up, stay in this video because I'm going to explain you first thing that we need to do. If you go through your backend in WordPress, we go in here to your dashboard as always, and then we go into plugins. Here in plugins, what we need to do is go to add new. Okay, so in here we go into the search bar down here, up here, and then RankMath SEO. Okay, so as you can see here, RankMath is for me one of the best plugins for SEO for WordPress. Is a iOS SEO as well, but RankMath is doing pretty well. Lastly, so first thing is install. If you don't have installed it, I think it's just install it, and then what we need to do is activate it. So once it's installed, you need to active. And then that's it. So we just go in here to the top and then refresh the screen of the browser, and then you will see that now it appears here, okay, in the menu bar on the left side. So you can do a few things. I'd recommend to start with the setup wizard, which is doing a quick setup for RankMath, and it's getting started. Is pretty good. I will choose the advanced mode in here, so we can just go and start wizard. Okay, and first thing that you need to do is information about your site. So here is my store. You can just select, depends what you have. If you have a personal blog, community, personal portfolio, small business, workshop, that it will be for an e-commerce site, and then all personal. So I will probably choose a small business site. If it's an e-commerce, you can pick an e-commerce, right? Business type, you can select what business type do you have, organization, or if you have a small business as it was, or government organization, local business, which is probably for me the best option. Okay, then website name, here will be the name of your website. Okay, website alternative name, if you have an alternative alternative name, you can put in here. Organization of the name, person, so you can fill up here the logo, and the default social media as well, here image if you have. Okay, then next thing is save and continue, and this step is the analytics, very important. So here connect with Google services. Mainly it will be with Google Search Console and Google Analytics, both tools really important in the SEO. So because with that, the sitemap of the website, it will be indexed in here, and also Google Analytics to have all this data, all the reports about the user traffic information through your website, right? I really recommend that. Now I'm going to skip because I want to do it later, right, to show you, but it will be just to click here and connect to those tools, so Search Console and Google Analytics. I also going to leave here another video that you guys can see how to do the Google Search Console and Google Analytics, right, step by step. And the next one is the sitemap. So the sitemap is important. So choose your sitemap configuration and select which type of post or page you want to include in your sitemap. So here the sitemap is basically the structure of all the pages that you have in your website. Okay, post, website, page, everything in here. HTML, sitemap, help search engine index your website's content more effectively. So that it will be a must for me to have check or active. Okay, include the image as well, so you can include the image. I will click that as well, I will check that. And then public post type, so keep them all of that. If you don't need any, so you just uncheck them, but I will suggest to have all of them check. Public taxonomy categories is fine. Product category, if you have e-commerce, I would probably suggest to have the product category as well. Save and continue. SEO tweaks, so here that optimization is a part for okay, so automate, so SEO tasks like Making external links no follow redirecting. So I suggest to leave like it is as by default, which is a great setup in here. No index, empty category, no tags. Okay, so setting empty archive to no index, that's fine. Okay, and then no follow external links, automatically add no follow, so that's fine as well. So no activate that, no follow, so we don't want. If you want to, I'll show you later down in this video how you can change all of these three options as SEO. Open an external link in a new tab, that's also okay. Okay, so save. And that's fine, so ready to go. And here you said it's ready, it's fine, and you can go and to the dashboard, or you can do this setup advanced option, which is that it will be for if you have a role manager, you can allow them to do a specific things depending what's the rights of the user, right? So in here you can select them. As I don't have any, so I don't select that option, and it's fine. And the 404 redirection, it will be a must as well for me to the 404 is the error when someone try to access to your website and you have any URL, something is broken. When I mean something, the URL is broken, so that it will give the 404 error, so that it will be good to monitorize. Okay, so it's good to have a check. And the redirections as well. Set up a temporary or permanent redirection combined with the 404 monitoring. Perfect. So I will keep those options check or enable. Okay, so a schema, the schema markup, the schema add metadata to your website in the rich results and more traffic. That is also for me a suggestion to have a marking here and then keep them, depends what do you have. So schema type for post, it will be an article, right? Unless you have a restaurant or person or service, I would suggest to put article, as well as you can change all of that in individual posts. So if you go to the post, edit post, you can change those features. Okay, article type in here, it will be article, post, blog post, that is fine. So I will click the blog post. Schema type for page as well, article type, that's fine, all good in here, and save and continue. All right, so good, that's it. We have RankMath already installed, and then we did the first setup, and here you are on the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. As you can see here, you can find all the modules that if you want to go through the specific one, just go and read which one do you want, basically. All right, but anything that is in here, it will be also on these tabs in there, right? The thing is just if you go to the analytics, you will see that it goes probably to one of these tabs. Let's see in here. Okay, I'm just going to analytics and then goes to general settings in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep the structure in here. I'm just gonna go one by one. So here in this menu options that we have here on the left, okay, so you can do the content AI. So with that is you need to connect your RankMath with any content AI that you probably have, ChatGPT or any that you can connect to, right? And that's it for now. I'm gonna do that, right? But you can connect it. Just go here, click, and then link or connect to any of these AI tools. All right, analytics. So this is what I said. It's just going here and connect that to your Google Analytics or your Google Search Console. Those tools is for me a requirement because you can measurement the metrics, the traffic, where is the traffic coming from. You can do many you can extract many information in order to improve your SEO. Okay, so that it will be just click here, and then if you have these two accounts, the Google Analytics, so you just go here, Google Analytics, right, Google, and then type Google Analytics. That it will be the tool here, that one in here, Google Analytics, and then or Google Search Console, both Search Console, right, both from Google. Very good tools that you can do that for free and connect your site. Okay, And then we're going here, general settings. So here in general settings, you will see the links, breadcrumbs, image, web tools, edit. We're going to go through all of them and try to do to don't take longer for each label. I'm just going to go and see here, stripe category base, remove category for category archive URLs. So that is category, that is fine. So yes, okay, that keep that unchecked. Redirect attachments, that's okay. Redirect attachment for the orphans attachment, that's good. It goes to the root, to the domain name, which is fine. No follow an external, so that means external link, so that it goes to external link. So open a new tab, that is no follow, so and click no follow image, that's fine. Open an external links, that's okay. So here will be for links, save and continue. Which one we have? Breadcrumbs. So that is really helpful for the user navigation. So the breadcrumbs is where they can go through deep into your website. So if you have categories and products, and then products category, and then the final product, okay. Or if you have, for instance, a website category, and then locations, you go through a specific location. So breadcrumbs, it helps a lot in terms of the user navigation. So I will enable that for sure. So you just check that separator character, the one that you want to use. And then show a homepage link, that's okay. Homepage label, you can change that to the name of your website, or just the homepage, or home. And then homepage link as well in here, so that it will be that's your domain name, okay. Prefix, no, that's fine. Archive format, that's okay. Search, this, leave all what it is, save, and that's it. I'm just gonna give you a clear example of how that looks, because maybe the breadcrumbs is what it is, kind of like you go here to your website and then you see that you have that. But if you go deep into a custom web design, right, so you can see this is the breadcrumb that it helps. Imagine that the user wants to go one step back and see what is in website design here, they can see what is in there, but also website services, all right. So that it will be these breadcrumb options, okay. Image, so we're gonna go here. I will check that definitely to see what is the alt in each image. All right, so here all attribute, you can put the attribute name in here. Let me see what options do you have. Separator, query, no, that's fine. Add, okay, so that option or that setup, it will be okay. Webmaster, so here if you have tools like a Google Search Console, in here it will be, I don't think you really need to do that, because if you already go through the analytics and then connect to your Google Search Console, it will be already there, right? But if you have obviously different ones like Bing or Baidu or all of that, Pinterest, you can add it in here, okay. Edit robot, so better to, if you are not familiar with that, don't do anything here. This is kind of like to do with the robots text file, okay. Also in here, others, I will leave that as it is. We don't want to do anything here, it's just to don't change anything. Blocks, table of content, that is okay. That's a table of content. I think everything is fine in here. WooCommerce, remove base, okay. Remove prefix like shop product from products, no, that's not good. I think that it needs to be in check as it is. Remove category base, no, I like the category base, that it gives more structure for your website. Remove parents slacks, that's fine. Remove generator tags, yeah, keep that. Remove Google generator tags from the sources code, so keep that, that's okay. Remove a schema markup on your shop archive, okay. So all of that is also good. Brands, if you have brands here, product type, no, that's okay. If you really have brands, you would probably maybe you can use for product category, but I would probably put none. Select product brands taxonomy to use schema, no, that's what it is. If you have brands, you can use a plugin, it's called brands for WooCommerce, and then put it as a brand, but not do it as a category, because product category is not a brand, okay. Could be another thing. Edit ticket set, nope, that's fine. Content AI, so again, if you want to create any content, connect your RankMath with any content AI tool, so you can do it in here. Redirections, this is the fact advanced tool that we did before, and this is fine. 404 seeing here, 404 more broken space. That, yeah, that's what it needs to be here. Mode simple, lock 100, but yeah, that's all good. Analytics is what is in here as well. So save, and that's it. We're going here, titles and meta description. So this is very important here, titles and meta description, sorry. Titles and meta description, global titles. So here, global meta. Robots meta is the index, so that it will be indexed. If it's not follow or no image, so I will put index, because if it's not indexed, your website or your page or your web page, it wouldn't be indexed to Google, right? And the robots, it wouldn't crawl your website, okay? So better to put indexing here. Make sure that is checked. Advanced, that's fine. No index, empty category, it's okay. Separator, so here you can change what separator you want, as you can see here down below. I would probably, this is the common, or maybe that one as well. Okay, capitalized title, so that depends how you want, how you like. Look, that's, I mean, doesn't make any difference, okay? Open graph, and that's it. So save, and then we're gonna go through the next one, local SEO. That is very important if you have business, and then if you want to improve your local SEO, is another tool like Google My Business, but for your website to have the information related to your business, like address or description or obviously the logo, but email, that is very important. Opening hours, business type, what business type it is in here. If you can search for that, it will be good. If it's something related to your business, as you can see here, it's just a local business, leave it like it is. Open hours, that it helps a lot to connect with Google My Business, with Google, right? And then give more relevant in order to rank your business better, right? In order to your competitors. So I will really suggest to use this local SEO tool as well. So phone number here as well, pricing range, if you have a price range, additional information, if you want to put additional information, about page, you make sure that that is about page, link to your about page, contact page. And if you have your Google Maps API key, better to put in there, and that it will help to rank better into your SEO, local SEO, right? Use that so you can get this shortcode, right? And then paste it onto your WordPress or to your page, okay? So that is the way that it works. And the same for the breadcrumbs. Sorry, I just missed that part. In here, I'm just gonna quickly go back and show you how to do it. Here, breadcrumbs, you have this piece of code that you can put in the header, or you can use this shortcode, right? So you just copy it and put it into your page, and that's it, and it will create these breadcrumbs, okay? I'm just going back to what I was in here, local SEO, that is all good. If you're a person, organization, mark here, but let's gonna put organization, save, and it's done. Social media meta, so it will be related to your social media, so you put here the URLs for your social media, Facebook, Twitter, and if you have Instagram as well, you can put here additional profiles, okay? Twitter, Facebook, and it's weird that it's not Instagram, but if you have Instagram, you can put it in here, right? And the homepage obviously will be to your homepage, so that's fine. And authors, so in here, enable, you can put the which is the authors in here, right? So it will be your name or the person who is writing the blogs, okay? And that's it. So that it will be, depends how you want to set this up, okay? But it will be in here. Page, so date, miss page, custom SEO meta settings of page, like search results 404 etc. The date archive, if you want to have it, you can put it here, and but look, I don't think that is relevant, to be honest. You can put disable and it's fine. 404 title, that's what it is in here. Search result title, this is how it displays. No index is search result, prevent search result page from getting indexed by a set. Okay, that is good as well, because you don't want search results to be indexed, as it's pointless. It's just maybe, you know, leave it like it is. Prevent search results, like, yeah, that's fine. And no index sub page is unchecked, and it's all good in here. Save and continue, okay? So here post types is how it is going to display. So as you can see here, this 10% percentage symbol plus the title, it kind of pulls the information. It's like the tag, the pull information from the title. As well, that's the separator, and that's the sitemap, site name. Okay, you can change that, and then probably you just modify this, and then just put whatever. If you want to just give the title, just put the title in here, right, and save it. You don't need to put that. But if you want to do it, just do the separator yourself. If you want, for instance, and here you can put another thing like your website name, no, or something like a keyword that you want to use for use post, right? Or you can put the title, so site name. Let me see here as it was before, right? So you put it here, and it will keep that as the sitemap. That's it, my store. Okay. Single post. I'm just wondering if you do this, it give you like a bunch of options. No, it's not that, but I think if you go here, okay, separator counter, and this is the option that they give you if you with this percentage. Okay, single post description. So here you got the SERP, which is the description, the first sentence in the page, right? Or this is like in the paragraph at the top when you start writing. So it will keep that information as this description, post description. Okay. The schema type article, that's fine. The headline, it will be the SEO title, so the title of the video. The description is fine. Article types is post block, fine. Post robots made meta, that's select custom robots, it's okay. No, we need to submit link suggestion, enable link suggestion to meta box for post type along with the pillar content, that's okay as well. I will keep that check. Primary taxonomy categories, add SEO control, that's okay. It's like, that's all good. Save and continue. Okay. Page, so it will be the same as post. So with the same thing, you got all this, you can modify how that wants to display as a general view, but you can do that individually in each post, or in each page. So you can change that. I'll show you right in a bit how you can do that. Okay. So it will be the same schema, headlines, description, article, page board. So it will be the same. Just you can do here as a general thing, or you can go individually page. Okay. Attachments as well here, landing page, it will be for your landing page. Here change to global SEO, schema, and other settings for the landing page. So it will be as the same thing here. And so I don't have to change anything, and I don't have anything to add SEO control, that's fine. I just keep that as it is, save and continue. Products, if you have the products, so here is how we'll display the products as the SERPs. Purchase summary, my store. You can change the order if you want, or you can leave it as it is, which is fine. Okay. Schema type, WooCommerce products, that's fine. Okay, so I think it's all Slack. Yes, I think it's all good, right, guys? Cool. Categories, it will be good. So I'm just going through, but realistically, you don't need to change anything, as I think by default it's really good. Tags as well, so you just go straight to what it is. It's just to use this plugin. Products categories as well here, so you can put the products, then how that display in your category, right? As you can see here, you got the example, and you can change here at the top, right? Remember, this is as a general view, so you will need to change that in here. Okay, so Slack, and save and continue. Okay, but let's gonna go through the next through the next label. We're going through the sitemap settings, and here is where you have these sitemap options. Okay, so in here, your sitemap, it will be display in here, so you can click, and this is those two links is what you need to submit in Google Search Console when you need to index your website. It will request two links from your sitemap. Okay, so there are these two. Okay, so you just copy and paste this in the Google Search Console. Okay, I'm just gonna go back, but I wanted to show you because it's just here, right? Links per sitemap 200. You can put more if you want. Maximum number of links of each sitemap, right? 200. Imagine a page with 200, right? I mean, a website with 200 pages. That will be a good website. Image in sitemaps as well, so you can keep them. That's all good. Exclude posts. If you're gonna exclude anything or terms or posts, it will be in here. Okay. And let's gonna go here what we have. HTML, yes, keep that check and make sure you check that part. Enable the HTML sitemap. Display format, shortcut page. That will be fine. Okay, that is if you want to display your sitemap in your website. But look, I don't really think that you need to do that, unless if you want to do it, is here you copy this shortcut and then you paste it on your page and it will display all the sitemap. Okay, sort by publish date, and in here you can display in a different way: modify date, alphabetic order, or post ID. Okay, save and continue. And then post. So here it will be for the post. Again, if you click, it will display all the posts that you have. As I don't have any, it's nothing, but it will be in that page as well. Attachments, landing page, products. It will be for all these options. I don't go through all of each because there's nothing that can probably have to say in terms of like, oh, you know, it will be important to say in here. So you can just go and see if you want to include it or not. I'm just going to go through just to show you, but it's nothing to do. I'm not skipping any part in there. Okay. So product categories, and then that's it. Save and continue. Okay. Instant index, that is fine. Send URL select, so I probably don't do anything in here. 404 monitoring is what I said before, so here it will be all these 404 errors. It will be displayed in here. Redirections as well, so you can put redirections in here. Just go here, add new, and change this you know, in a source URL. You can put here the URL initial and then the destination. Okay, so and then just save, and that's it. So if you want to do 301 permanent move or temporary, well, that's the different redirections that you can do. If you want to do it, I suggest to do the 301, and that's it. And at the redirection, I will be displaying in there. Okay, the SEO analyzer, that is good if you want to analyze your site. So you just need to link that to RankMath account. You need to create an account, and then you can do this SEO analyzer. That will help you to see if you have any error or how you can improve your SEO in your website. Okay. And then just the second last, which is the status tool. So you go here and then you have the version control, the database tool, the system status. That is more if you want to go through this plugin in terms of like more information for the version controls, etc., the status and control, and help and support. Right, so that's the last one. And that's it. So now I'm gonna explain you how you can use that. That's the real use, that you go here. For instance, you go to a page, right? I'm just gonna click, for instance, my home page, right? And then you go to edit. As now that is installed, you will see here on the right side, okay, here right at to the top. Let me put in here. You have this icon in there, right? This RankMath. I'm just gonna click in there. I'll show you what you can do. Okay, let me go here, and then in there you can edit how that wants to display. What I mean, how you want to display is you snippet editor. This is how it's going to display the title and meta description for that page, a specific page. So in here you can put, I suggest to put, for instance, if you have a website, just put your keywords that your business is doing. If you have a bathroom renovation company, so you just put bathroom renovation, renovation, and you can put also I'll probably say bathrooms renovations, okay, and then you can put the location. If it's in Australia, you can put it in Australia, right? And then the name of the business, okay? And then that's the permalink. So the permalink, it will be the URL. That is because it's my home page, but I suggest to create a good structure for the permalink. So That's the home page. But if you have a service, you can put service for bathroom renovation, right? Or services and then dash bathroom renovations. Okay. Description, so that it will be the description that appears down below in relation to this page. Okay. And then you can go here to the social. So in social, it will be how it displays. So you can put here, if you have the Facebook or Twitter, you can put it in there and add image or even the title and descriptions as well. Okay, even for Twitter as well. So going here, general, and then we going through the one more. That's the focus keyword. So you can. That's a good thing that this RankMath have, which is kind of like have the checkbox, or not checkbox. It's a list of all these errors. Error suggestions, it must be, right, in order to improve your SEO, right? So as you can see here, I put the name of my website, but as is not appear on this homepage, right, it gives me all the errors. So in order to improve your basic SEO, I will probably need to do the focus keyword doesn't appear in the SEO title. All right, so let's gonna put that in here. SEO title must be put it there. I put Amy Webs. Okay, now appears. Cool. So as you can see, now that is complete. Focus keyword not found in the SEO meta description. So I'm just gonna go here, edit the snippet, and can put it in here. Obviously, I need to write more things now about what's the description, right? And it will be added in here. But as you can see, it's also helping you in order to improve your SEO. And so on additional. So for instance, here you just need to go through the page and then focus keyword not found in the subheadings or in image, right? And that it will be a good thing in order to improve your SEO. As soon as it's done, you update, and that's it. As you can see here, now you have the scoring in order to knowing approximately how is this page, right, ranking in terms of the SEO. Okay, so that is good. If you want also to do more advanced features at RankMath, in here you go to the advanced. As you can see here, you got the robots meta index. It will be obviously the option. If you don't know something, I think you can put here instruct search engine. Let me put it here to closer because you can probably don't see. Instruct search engine to index and show this page in the search results, right? So make sure that this is clicked. It will be by default if you did that in the general settings, right? And that's it. And then we have the advanced robot meta. That's fine. The canonical URL, that if you have two pages with the same intentions of experience, right, you should put here the information, this URL, right, in order to download canonical URL. The breadcrumb title, if you want to do the breadcrumbs in here, and that's fine. If you want to redirect, you can do it as well here, but I don't think you need to do it, right? So the schema, you will have the schema in this section in here. As I said before, you can change that. Remember, you can change in this individual page, so it will be here, and then you can do it as well in here. So as I said, it's an article, but imagine that you don't want to do an article, you can generate a different one, right? So you can just go here and select the schema type best fit for that page. Okay, you can do a custom schema as well. Okay, I'm just gonna close that and continue. Okay, so in here you can go and that's it. Headlines, description, keyword, and here you can do the different type. Okay, I just keep as it is and it's fine. We got the social, that's it was before, and that's it. So if everything is like good, fine, try to get obviously closer to the 100%, but that it will help you to improve your SEO. Okay, look, this is pretty much what I wanted to explain about this plugin, which is for me one of these best plugins in terms of the SEO. Now in 2024, it was just SEO before, but now I'm using that one, and I hope that tutorial helped you to improve or at least to set up that RankMath for your website. Okay, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.